I'm
Minister
looking
of
at some messages
Education,
here from some
Skills,
of our young
Youth and
people, and
Information,
it's
Dana
extremely
Dixon,
sad.
said she
Extremely
faced
sad.
one of the most difficult conversations of her life when she spoke with the parent of a child who recently committed suicide. She noted that she received heartbreaking messages from children who feel hopeless because of bullying. The minister stressed that no child is ever alone and that help is available for those in need. She encouraged students to reach out, whether to a parent, teacher, or other trusted adult, reminding them that there are multiple resources ready to provide support. In Jamaica, where aggressive humor is deeply woven into everyday culture and often dismissed as harmless banter, the rise of social media has added a new layer of pressure on young people. Jokes and verbal clashes that were once confined to schoolyards or street corners now live online, magnified and made permanent in the digital space. This raises an important question. Are Jamaican parents truly equipped to help their children navigate these realities, balancing cultural norms with the psychological toll of constant ridicule, bullying, and public shaming in the age of social media?
Read more at JamaicaLiveNews.com.
Jamaica Live, your trusted news source, both locally and internationally. Please like, share, comment, and contribute to the conversation. Support independent media. Your donations are not just appreciated, they are essential to keeping Jamaica Live alive and thriving. Join us in making a difference. Donate today. Scan the QR code on our website or donate via PayPal to JamaicaLiveTVNews@gmail.com.